votes.
If you guys win it, they will have to bias.
No, actually, I must say they're always biased.
Home
to the
game.
guest.
Yeah.
But not the guest, you're blind. Never tastes so good. Damn it.
Baby, love never felt so fine.
Ah, come
And I
on.
doubt it was ever mine.
So I lose so often, eh? I've been doing this for the past 6 years.
Which is a good thing.
I get beaten